Narrative text. Narrative text is the part of genre. Narrative is the text which tells something. On the other words, narrative is created by someone for telling the story. It is including to fiction story. The purpose of this text is to amuse or to entertain the readers and the listeners. Narrative text also has the generic structure, same as the other kinds of the text. Purpose of narrative text. Narrative text is a kind of the text that retells the story in the past, while the purpose or social function or communicative target is to entertain or to amuse the readers or listener about the story. Kind of narrative text: adventure, real life, myth, horror, mystery, comedy, romance, etc. Grammar use. Narrative text, since a told a story, is dominantly constructed in past tense. It is logic because if every story happened in the past time. Past tense use: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past future continuous, past perfect continuous. Generic structure of narrative text. 1. Orientation: the recognition of the setting, background of the story, figure, time and place. Complication: the conflict development of the story. Resolution: the solving of the conflict. Evaluation: the discussion of moral values or philosophy that can be drawn from the story. This is part exists especially in the more complex narrative. Example of narrative text: Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters. The stepmother and her two daughters did like Cinderella. They treated Cinderella very bad. Cinderella usually did the hardest works in the house, such as scrubbing the floor, cleaning the pot and pan, and preparing the food for family, and so on. One day, a ball was to be held by the royal family of the kingdom to find the prince's pose. Cinderella wanted to go to the ball, but her stepmother asked her to stay at home and do the houseworks. Cinderella cried. Then there was a very good mother standing beside her. "Why are you crying, Cinderella?" the very good mother asked. "Because I want to go to the ball, but my stepmother insists me to stay at home. Besides, I don't have any beautiful dress," said Cinderella. Then the fairy turned Cinderella ugly dress become the most beautiful dress, and with beautiful slippers. The fairy also turned a pumpkin into a parking coach. And the mice become 6 white horses. Cinderella finally could go to the ball, but she had to come back before midnight, before the spell ended. In the ball, Cinderella amazed everybody. There included the prince. The prince asked her to dance. Cinderella had a wonderful time at the ball, but all of a sudden, she heard the sound of a clock, the first stroke of midnight. Remember what the fairy had said? Cinderella ran back to go home, but she lost one of her slippers in ballroom. The prince picked up her slipper and would search for the girl whose foot fitted with the slipper. A few days later, the prince proclaimed that the would marry the girl whose fitted the slipper. Her stepsister tried on the slipper, but it was too small for them. No matter how hard they squeezed their toes into it, in the end, the king's soldier let Cinderella try on the slipper. She stuck out for her foot and the page slipped the slipper on. It fitted perfectly. Finally, she was driven to the palace. The prince was overjoyed to see her again. They were married and lived happily ever after. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.